So good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn increasing and decreasing order. Increasing order means when the digits are arranged or numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. See here, 0 is the smallest number in this group and 10 is the greatest number, and it is arranged from smallest to greatest. I am going to read this number: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these numbers are arranged from smallest to bigger or greatest. So this is called the increasing order. And what is decreasing order? When the number is arranged from greatest to the smallest. You know, the 0 is the smallest number in this group and 10 is the greatest number. See here, the greatest number is written first and the smallest number is written at the last. So this is called the decreasing order. Or we can say the backward counting. You have learned already backward counting. In backward counting also the numbers are arranged from the bigger or greatest to the smallest. Now see the exercise. Write the increasing order. So some group of numbers are given here: 1, 0, 5, 7, 8, 10. So which is the smallest in this group is 0. So we have to write the 0 first. Then strike off this 0 and compare with the rest of the number which is greatest. Smallest is 1 is smallest, so 1 will become here in the next circle. Then leave this 1 and remaining 5, 7, 8, 10. Which one is smaller? 5 is smaller, so 5 has to be written next. Then strike off this 5. Then see 7, 8 and 10. Which is smaller? 7 is smaller, so 7 has to be written next. Then compare with 8 and 9. Which is smaller? 8 is smaller, so 8 has to be written here, and at last 10 has to be written. So see, the number is are arranged in the form of smallest to greatest. Smallest number in this group is 0. So 0 is written first, then 1, 5, 7, 8 and last number is 10, which is the greatest number. See the next question. 9, 3, 8, 5, 2, 6. Which is the smallest in this group is 2. So first we have to write 2, then strike off this 2 and compare the number with the remaining. So 9, 3, 8, 5, 6. Which one is smaller? The 3. So 3 has to be written here. Then after compare with 9, 8, 5, 6. Which one is smaller? 5 is smaller. So 5 is written the next number. 3 are left: 9, 3 and 6. Which is smallest number in this group is 6. The next number will be written 6. After writing this, strike this 6 and compare with 9 and 8. Which is smallest? The 8. 8 is the smallest and 9 is the greatest number. By this you can arrange the smallest to bigger number or the greatest number. Now see the question number 2. Write in decreasing. Decreasing means you have to write the greater number first, greatest number first, and the smallest has to be written at the last. See the group of digits: 8, 5, 2, 1, 6, 9. Which one is greater? 9 is greater. So 9 has written first. 9 is the greatest number in this group. So first you have to write 9, then strike this 9 and compare with the rest of the number. In rest there are 8, 5, 2, 1, 6. Which is greater? 8 is greater. So 8 is written here and strike out from here and compare with 5, 2, 1, 6. Which is greater? 6 is greater. So 6 is written. After that 5, 2, 1. Which is greater? 5 is greater. 5, write the 5. Then compare with 2 and 1. Which one is greater? 2 is greater. So 2 has to be written first and the last number will be the 1. So the numbers are arranged from 9 to 1 or greatest to smallest. 9, 8, 6, 5, 2, 1. Okay, see the next one. 7, 4, 9, 3, 8, 0. Which one is greater in this group is 9. So first we have to write 9. Then strike this 9. Then see the how many left? 7, 4, 3, 8. Which one is greater? 8 is greater. 8 has to be written here. Then strike this 8. Then compare with the remaining 4, 7, 7, 4, 3, 0. Which one is greater? 7. So third number will be 7. Then strike this 7. The remaining is 4, 3, 0. Which one is greater? 4 is greater. So write 4. Then strike this 4. Then compare with 3 and 0. Which is greater? 3 is greater. 3 has to be written first and the last number will be 0. So how the number is arranged? Shall we read? 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 0. So these numbers are arranged in greatest to smallest. This is called decreasing order. Come to the next question. Take the smallest number. So there are 3 groups given. You have to select the number which is smallest in each group. 852, which is smallest? This 2 is smallest. 637, which is smallest? 3 is smallest. 1059, which is smallest? 5 smallest. Take the greatest number. We have to find the greatest number in each group. So in first group, 960, which is greatest? 9 is greatest. 8510, which is greatest? 10 is greatest. 703, which is greatest? 7 is greatest. So which is the greater number? You have to tick mark on it. Now we have to know the ordinal number. Ordinal number shows the position of the thing. See, there is a train. It has 10 seats, and each seat one child is sitting. So we have to know the position of the child. Okay, first in first seat is Sunny. Sunny is sitting in first seat. This first is called the ordinal number. When the number is showing the position, or we represent by writing first, FIRST, first in words, or 1 and ST in numbers, so we can see the position of the thing, okay, or person. As you are getting class position after the exam, like that, first position, second position, like this. In the second bench, RN. So the position of RN is second, SECO, and this is written in words, and 2 and ND is called second in numbers. Okay. Then see in third. Who is sitting in third? Samir is sitting in third seat. THIRD third, and 3 and RD for writing the number. And who is in fourth position? Fourth position is Sonu. Who is in fifth position is Ritu. Who is in sixth position is Mono. And in seventh position, Dev. In 8th position, Tina. 9th position, Priya. And last, means on 10th position is Rohit. Okay. So the position, when the position are shown, it is called the ordinal number, and it is written with some alphabet, using some alphabet, or in words also. See here how to write. Starting from the left, write the word for the position of the picture marked. One has been done for you. You have to count the number from left hand side. First, second, third, fourth. So it is written FOURTH, fourth, and in numbers 4 and TH is called 4. See here, 1, 2, first, second. So SECOND second, and 2 and ND we are writing for second. Okay. The first fan is crossed. So the cross position is first, FIRST first, or 1 and ST. Okay, now we will count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. The fifth book is crossed. FIFTH, fifth. Okay, 5 plus TH. 5 and TH. When you are writing 5 with the TH, it is pronounced fifth. See the umbrella. First, second, third umbrella is crossed. THIRD in word, 3 and RD in number. See the position of balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So balloon 8 number positions. The balloon which is having in 8th position is crossed. EIGHT 8, or 8 and TH for using number. See the number which car is crossed. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth car is crossed. SIXTH, and for the number 6 and TH. Say this flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the ninth, NINETH, ninth flower, and 9 with TH. Okay, this is the numeral rotation. Starting from the right, color the following picture and as directed. So you have to color this from right hand side. So we have to count the number from here. They are asking to color second and 7. So how to color the second and 7? See here, 1, 2. This is the second one. This is the second one. Okay. Then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and this is the 7th one. So we have to color these two mangoes. This is the 7th mango. I am coloring with orange color. You will color with any, whatever the color you are having, okay. And this is the second mango, so I am coloring here. Okay, so 2 mangoes I have colored for you. See the next one, 4th and 6th. We have to count the kite 4th to 5th. So where is the 4th? 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. This is the 4th kite. Okay, so we have to color this 4th kite. Fourth and 6th, 5th, 6th. This is the 6th kite. Okay. So this is the 6th kite I have colored. The 2 mango, 2nd and 7th, and here the kite 4th and 6th. Okay. Come to the third question. Fill in the missing ordinal. So after first, which ordinal has? This is the second. I am writing here second. S-E-C-O-N-D. This is third. T-H-I-R-D. Fourth. This is F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. This is S-I-X-T-H. Sixth. This is seventh. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. This is 8th. E-I-G-H-T-H. 8th. 9th. This is 10th. T-E-N-T-H. 10th. Okay. So I hope you will understand the ordinal numbers.